This is our next question. Among the elements lithium, potassium, calcium, sulfur and krypton, which one is expected to have lowest first ionization enthalpy and which the highest first ionization enthalpy? Ionization enthalpy, it depends upon the effective nuclear charge, which in turn depends upon the size of atom, right? Or you can say the effective nuclear charge is what? It is the net force of attraction between the nucleus and the electrons in the outermost shells. Ionization energy is directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. That is, ionization energy varies directly with the effective nuclear charge. The more is the effective nuclear charge, the more will be the ionization enthalpy. I hope you know what is ionization enthalpy. It is the energy required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of gaseous atom of an element. Now, ionization energy, it increases from left to right in the periodic table, whereas it decreases from top to bottom in a group. In this case, see, there is lithium, potassium. They belong to group 1. Lithium, sodium, potassium. Calcium belongs to group 2. Sulfur belongs to group 6, that is oxygen, sulfur. Then is krypton. It belongs to 0 group. Helium, neon, argon, krypton. Which will have the least ionization enthalpy? Of course, the alkali metals. In this case, we have got 2 alkali metals, that is lithium and potassium. Down the group, the ionization energy decreases. So which will have the least ionization enthalpy? Potassium. Which will have the highest first ionization enthalpy? Highest, it should be of noble gases, the 0 group element. Why? Because they have got complete octet, that is NS2-NP6 configuration. Whereas the configuration of potassium would be 4s1. So it's easy to take out electron from potassium rather than krypton. Right?